Hey everyone, CodeCrafter is doing a giveaway, and in order to be eligible for it, you need to complete any one of the CodeCrafter challenge, and you will be automatically entered into their raffle. Uh, this is the 3D printer you may win if you are lucky. Winners are chosen randomly and notified early August. I will provide the link in the description. After signing in, you need to complete any one of this challenge, and you will be automatically entered into the raffle. Also, yesterday I had created a poll. Uh, Kindly do vote on it as it will help me to understand what type of video content you want me to make. Also, I have created a Telegram channel. Do join it. And if you want more swag related video, kindly check the swag playlist as these are all the ongoing swag events. Thank you.